Here's what's making news on Roadshow. Honda's new Passport SUV just made its debut at the LA Auto Show, but it's already started production at Honda's assembly plant in Alabama. The middle child SUV is still slated to go on sale sometime early in 2019, so don't make like it's the next Star Wars film and camp out in front of your dealer. But if you're super hyped on the Passport, at least you know the wait won't be too long. Gorilla Glass is pretty amazing stuff. It's incredibly tough and resistant to breakage, but it's only recently starting to creep its way into the world of automotive windshields. The Ford GT supercar uses it, so too do the Porsche GT3 RS and the McLaren 720S. And now you can order one for your Jeep JK Wrangler through Mopar. What's cool is that it's not even really that expensive of a replacement at just $550. There's no such thing as cheap racing, and that's true of land speed racing too, as the folks behind the Bloodhound SSC project recently found out. The project sought to build a jet-powered land speed racer that could break the 1,000 mile/hour barrier, which is undeniably cool. But when it reached out to investors for an additional $32 million to complete the project, nobody coughed up the dough. This isn't a terribly surprising end for an ambitious project like this, but that doesn't mean it's also not a supreme bummer. Find more on these stories over at theroadshow.com. We'll talk to you Monday.